you got permission. Those I given in first lot. I will note down roll numbers. I will tick like this. First time I will tick the roll number, and second time when I will give permission, I will mark it. And what I am not happy with you people means no one is forwarding Amma. I know roll number. For your kind information in attendance register, I will mark with dots. Dot means if you are roll number 205, if I given permission today, your attendance is 12, I will put one dot. It means I given recording on this day. At any time I may ask this data. Be careful. My way of noting is different. Okay. Now this is cycloid. So what we learned here, ball is rolling. Ball is a dynamic object. Horizontal plane is a normal object. So obviously, what will be the nature of curve? Okay. What do you mean by epicycloid, Amma? Epicycloid? Okay. Before that, this is the horizontal plane. Okay. And this is again horizontal plane. This is horizontal. This is the ball is rolling. Here also ball is rolling. Here also ball is rolling. What will be the nature of graph you will draw, Amma? Same or different?
Different.
Why? Why different, Amma? Why different? One more. This is the one line. Second line. Third line. This same ball rolling like this. Then
Our axis is different.
question is not axis. That's why I drawn these figures. Everywhere. Acha. I asked about skidding. Can you remember? Skidding. I discussed skidding, na?
Yes, sir.
Skidding.
Sir, without
Ah,
slipping.
yes, Amma. Skidding, why it will happen? Sir, బండి స్కిడ్ అయిపోయింది సార్. ఎందుకు స్కిడ్ అయిపోయిందిరా? Yes. What will happen if you do like this? You are reading those diagrams? Yes or no?
Ball's direction is different, sir.
Where is the maximum possibility of skid, Amma? Say this is the figure
Incline,
number
sir.
one.
At the inclined place, sir.
Where? Now I made
Inclined,
one,
sir.
two, three. In out of three figures, which one is having more probability of skidding?
One, sir.
Wrong.
Two, sir. Two, sir.
Three.
Some people will tell 3 amma. Pani అయిపోతుంది. That is not the way. Girls, ఏం response question ఏ లేదు. Sir, we all are in sleeping mode, sir. Yes, Anusha, 215. Nandini, 218. Kavesri, Ashrita, Navya. What happened, Amma? Shruti, Sri Priya, Sri Lavya, Mansa. I am targeting only Tanishka, Spruti. Until now, I not got single response. You all are physically present, huh?
Yes, sir.
Then what happened? I don't want physical presence, Amma. I want mental presence. I always told. If you will do like this, I will call by roll number. I will ask you to open your video and I will ask you to talk something. Don't motivate me to that. I always told that my classes are very interactive. You ask, only thing, noise, I won't irritate. Apart from that, you ask n number of questions. I am only providing you. You do one thing, take one bicycle, take sudden 90-degree turn. What will happen?
It's
Skid. Obviously, ಇದು 90-degree amma, this is the highest probability. Obviously, you cannot change dramatically in real life. That's why I told, I intentionally drawn different diagrams. Means skidding will happen. If you are moving on a horizontal plane, nothing happen, amma, it is an equilibrium state. But when you are talking about gradient, yes, it is a flat. Hilly areas are gradient. Yes, we can move. Only we need torque. You know what is torque? Torque. సార్ ఏమేమో పెద్ద వర్డ్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. టార్క్ విన్నారా లేదరా? ఫిజిక్స్ చదివారా?
Yes, sir.
Force, torque force.
Torque is a energy required. Acha, while going on this, can you change the gears or no need of changing gears? Amma?
We need to change gears.
We need to
What
change the
what
gears.
you will do? Let us assume we are riding the bike at 5th gear. When you are going, what will be the next gear? Next, what is the order?
4.
4. Then again, if you are not getting 3,
3,
2,
2, 1.
what is that, Amma? What is that 4, 3, 2, 1?
Gear down.
Gear down. I also know that. Then why we are reducing, Amma? When my bike is 1:1 ratio, 1:1, it is able to move very fast. But whenever gradient comes, suddenly I am moving to down. Here, speed is less, torque is more. Be careful regarding that. Here, in this condition, speed is more. Torque is negligible. That's why 1:1 input is equal to output. You know ratios, how to study them. This is engineering, amma. Here everything we have correlation. So when I am talking negligible means it may be around minute variation. But why that is minute variation? It is due to aerodynamic shape, wind velocity, some other forces are acting. But 99% we designed for 1:1. But whenever gradient is there, where speed is less, torque is more, we have to provide more torque. You do one thing. Today, how many students are very good in hill climbing? Tracking. Technical name Chappalra. We all brought up in villages, Amma. Hill climbing, mountain. What do you mean by tracking, Amma? How many people knows that? Tracking, initially you need minimum energy. What? How many students are staying in 10-floor house? 5-floor house? No one now. All are staying in ground floor only. Great students, Rama. I only giving Chapandi sir, 3rd floor, sir, 4th floor. Something you tell.
3rd floor.
Okay, 3rd floor. You nee intiki vellin tarvata one pani cheyalra. Fast you have to reach without lift. Lift vaddu paina vellu. You check your body at ground, and once you reach the 3rd floor, you are same or different. ఏమైపోతుంది? వెళ్ళేవా లేదురా?
వెళ్ళండి సార్.
ఏమైపోతుంది? What will happen? Don't hesitate, Amma. Tell something. Others also doing. Always I will tell leadership, the guy who speak true or false, but don't tell always lie, true or false, but always become a very good leader. Develop that skill someone. You see how many topics, how many times I will move from here and there. It build by inbuilt properties. Always remember, yes.
We will lose energy, sir.
Yes, we will lose energy, Amma. That is gradient. We are going upward direction. But if you take walking with normal speed, you won't feel anything. If you go with very high speed, double, you will get sweating. These all are examples, Amma. Cheptunanu. If you go by running, more sweating. See, means what happening? We are consuming more energy. So that is the torque. Torque is the energy requirement to overcome that. And that energy here, again it is flat. Again here, speed is more. Torque here, distance coverage is not important. Overcoming this gradient is important. When I taken this, you see, first initially I given some gradient, again I made vertical. But here, possibility always when you take turn, you will make long. చూసారా ఎప్పుడరా రోడ్ అమ్మా టర్నింగ్ దగ్గర రోడ్ ఎంత ఉందిరా ఎక్కువ బ్రెడ్త్ ఉందా లేదా
Yes, sir.
yes we need because we have to cover more distance to minimize the possibility of skidding amma if you take sharp is obviously skidding don't do that so these are the but it's all are cycloid only because we are rolling on horizontal plane whether it is a vertical whether it is a horizontal whether it is a inclined if same figure any difference సార్ ఏమేమో చేస్తున్నారు సార్ నాకు ఏం ఐడియా వస్తలేదు ఏమరా చెప్పండి అమ్మా yes anyone can you seen this type of roads on our in your city Hyderabad లేదా
Yes, sir.
ఎక్కడ చూసావు వేర్ acha from your house let us assume that you started how you will reach CMR amma can you tell me the locations how you will start make it fast whether you have to come only horizontal or inclined or something else
It depends on road, sir.
చెప్పు నీ ఇంటి నుంచి కాలేజ్ రోడ్ చెప్పమ్మా నీ ఎందుకు డిపెండెన్సీ యువర్ రోడ్ ఈస్ ఫిక్స్డ్ యువర్ హౌస్ ఈస్ ఫిక్స్డ్ కాలేజ్ క్యాంపస్ ఈస్ ఫిక్స్డ్ దెన్ వెర్ ఇస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఆఫ్ డిపెండెన్సీ which path
Yes,
you
sir.
are following every day you just explain that
So some roads are plain and some roads are up and down, mostly in hill areas like that.
నీ ఇంటి నుంచి ఇక్కడ హిల్లీ ఏరియా ఎక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చిందిరా అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్
Sir, is it speed breaker?
ఏ బండి ఇంత చిన్న పెట్టాను స్పీడ్ బ్రేకర్ అంతే ఒకటే టైర్ ఇక్కడ అంతే రిమైనింగ్ బాడీ థింక్ సమ్ ఆర్ బ్రౌడ్లీ డోంట్ మేక్ యువర్ థింక్ ఎస్ అమ్మా ఎస్
Flyovers.
very good answer flyover is the best tool that's I drawn that's why intentionally it is a start it start with horizontal line again curvature again it will join with this streamline amma this is called flyover very good now what I told whenever one ball is rolling on horizontal plane whether it is inclined again horizontal then also it is cycloid If it is rolling on horizontal, inclined, vertical, then also cycloid. If it is horizontal, vertical, then also cycloid. ఇక్కడ ఏమైపోతుందమ్మా? ఇది horizontal, ఇది cycloid. This is cycloid. What is this amma? Can anyone tell me?
Hypocycloid.
No.
Epicycloid.
Ah, ಅದು నాకు ಸಂಬಂಧ. I know that. I don't want name. I want relation. How I am claiming this as a cycloid, this as a cycloid. Then what is this relation? చెప్పండమ్మా. Relation. Horizontal line, rolling object. Inclined rail, rolling object. Horizontal, rolling object. Horizontal, rolling object. Inclined, rolling object. Vertical, rolling object. Horizontal, rolling object. Vertical, rolling object. All are cycloid. Yes. What is the shape of the flyover, amma? Shape of the flyover. Shape ఏ లేదు సార్ అది. షేప్ ఉందా లేదా? I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Then flyover shape
Curved
చూడండి.
shape, sir.
Inclination, straight and inclination.
It is a curvature. This is the curvature. Now put relation. Now put relation. Horizontal, angular. Horizontal, angular. Horizontal, angular. Ikkadi. Ikkadi.
No.
Yes. What is the relation, amma? Yes. Still you not understand. One angular object rolls over another angular object. This is also angle. Curvature means radius. Flyover, curvature, any shape. అది ఏం రూల్ అమ్మా? నీకు ఇష్టం వచ్చినప్పుడే షేప్. Some flyovers are very big, some are small. One object rolls over another, both are angular in nature. Then this type of curves are called epicycloid. జాగ్రత్త మమ్మ, రిలేషన్ చెప్తున్నాను. Here horizontal rolling object, angular linear, angular linear, angular linear, angular linear. Idu inclined undi, but still it is linear only. This is again horizontal, linear, angular linear, angular linear, inclined linear, angular, vertical, but still it is a linear relations only. Here horizontal 90-degree skidding. So then also it is cycloid. But once object, both objects here, one is linear, one is
Angular.
angular, but here both are angular. Such, but here this ball is rolling inside or outside? Flyover
Outside.
పైన వెళ్తున్నావా కింద లోపటి నుంచి వెళ్తున్నావు?
పైన.
పైన.
Outside.
If one circular object rolls over another circular object outside it, then it is called epicycloid. Then it is called epicycloid. Idea వచ్చిందా? ఇది natural study amma. Studies with respect to, that's why I'm giving weightage to angular object converted into linear pi d. But here this is also angular object, this is also angular object. One angular object rolls over another. That type of nature outside it, where it is rolling outside the angular object, is called
Epicycloid.
epicycloid. Jagratam amma. in nature, we will study all probabilities. We may have normal road, we may have inclined road, we may have curvature, U-bends, we have flyovers everywhere. But the methodology we will define according to the need and necessity. Got it? Any doubts? Whenever we assemble next class, we will talk about epicycloid. I will tell definition and immediately I will dictate problem. Any doubts you have, you can raise. Otherwise, we will wind up the session. Nothing, huh? Yes, sir, no.
No, sir.
Shall we wind up?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir.
Ah, yes, sir. Thank you.